everybody, so for today's video I'm going to be styling my cousin Sasha's hair. You've probably seen her on my channel before. We did like 2-3 videos together, but like a long time ago. So I'm gonna be styling her hair because I thought it would be really fun to do people like in my life, that my friends, family whose hair is curly and textured. I really want to try to style it because I have a lot of products, but some products don't work for me but they work for her, and some products work for me and they don't work for her, and sometimes I want to know how many textures can this product actually work on. So yeah, that's what this series is. So yeah, you can go ahead and introduce yourself.
I don't know, I'm new to the channel. You know, my name's Sasha. I'm her cousin and I trust her. Trust her with my hair. I think she may be able to find something, because I'm not gonna lie to you, she has a lot of hair products. So.
I know, sometimes I don't even use them.
Yeah, so she'll find something to work.
Basically, I'm gonna ask her some questions. So what is your hair texture and your hair type?
I genuinely don't think I have like one hair type, but I'm gonna say 4A. It's a little bit more like coily, and like there's some curls in there, so yeah.
4A, okay. And you said porosity is low, right?
Yeah.
So low porosity, 4A. Okay, well I have some Soultanicals products, so we're gonna be putting these to the test. I'm gonna try to do like split, half and half. I'm gonna try 2 different products, 2 different leave-ins. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use 2 different detanglers. This one's Frizz Whizz by Soultanicals. I really like it because it's thin and slippery. And then there's also the Curl Blaze Hair Glaze, which is also thin and slippery. I'm kind of running out of these 2, so it better work. Better make it to the end, because you know we have to use so much products. That's why I get the 32 ounces, because it's like, what am I gonna do with this? This is like too little. So Soultanicals has a tropical juicy Afro Curl smoothie, and Asiam has a restore and repair Jamaican black castor oil leave-in conditioner. I really like both of these, so we're gonna see if it works for you. And you never tried any of these, right?
Never.
Never. What do you usually put in your hair?
Honestly, I just go with the basic random leave-in conditioner and Eco Styler. The yellow one with the red lid, I think. Yeah.
Oh, is that the argan oil one?
Yeah.
Eco gel. I use the coconut one for my curls. So I'm gonna go in with some Frizz Whizz. Do you put your hair in like sections?
Yeah.
The parting just takes too long.
I
like
know.
Trying to part your hair is too much. Like
I know, that's why sometimes I feel like my hair doesn't come out, because I don't take that extra time, but it's hard.
More Frizz Whizz. I'm doing like, oh no, it shot at me. I'm doing like 6 pumps for this one section, because I really want your hair to be smooth and combed out, because I feel like this part is like the most important part for me, the detangling part, because the brush really helps like clump the curls and stuff. So like if you don't have enough product in it, sometimes this part can go really
Dude, you're so brave. I cannot touch other people's hair. I'd rather cry myself to sleep every night. I hate hair so much.
Oh, not me. It's like, I feel like, well, it's natural, you know?
I cannot. Strands of hair literally make me want to cry.
Why?
It's so
Oh my god, those little curls. Oh my god, they're so cute. We should probably zoom in. Oh my god.
Crazy. My hair's gonna be like this long.
Literally, I'm going for the shrinkage, and then I'm gonna freaking pick it out or something.
No.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. You probably had peppermint oil, huh?
Yeah.
I should have asked you to bring some, because peppermint oil is supposed to really help people with low porosity hair, like for the product to just go inside their cuticles instead of just laying on top. Especially something like Soultanicals, like their products are really natural. So like, you know, your hair should really like soak up the nutrients that they're trying to give you. Does that hurt?
No, it just sounds like it does.
Yeah, the Tangle Teaser is honestly a really good detangler though.
Yeah.
Like the Demon Brush, okay, I like the Demon Brush for definition, but if you're trying to just comb out all the knots in your hair, go for the Tangle Teaser, honestly. What do you think?
Yeah. I feel the same way, but honestly I definitely need to do my own like research on things, because I literally rarely like do my hair besides like looking like a little mushroom little boy.
Not even. You look so cute on like Christmas and New Year's. So what I like to do is with the leave-in, I try to just brush it all out first and then get the defined like curls and get like, make sure that the hair is like conditioned, because if it's conditioned and you're able to just detangle it and like clump the curls, once you put the product, all you'll really have to do is just put the product in. That's it. You won't have to like detangle anymore or like try to define. So I try to get the definition part out first. Yeah, but I feel like all that gel is stripping away your moisture.
I know, it's okay. I've been thinking about that for the past couple days. I'm like, I need to get a more like, I need to add an actual curl product in there, plus the leave-in. But it's just, I don't want to buy all these different products just to get one end goal. It's like...
Yeah. No, that's honestly really tedious. I mean, like, and it's expensive.
Literally, curl products are a different price than like normal hair products.
Literally.
And it's insane.
It's insane and unfair.
Yeah.
Like, as much as I do love Soultanicals, like, I'm paying $17 for an 8-ounce bottle. Even some of the cheaper curly brands are, like, still bad for you. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, they're just not good.
Imagine if, like, one of those places, like, picked you up and they were like, yes, we want to sponsor. What would you do?
No. I would not. I would be like, no. Like, Garnier. I know so many curly girls support Garnier, like for teas and stuff. I mean, you know, if it works for you, it works for you. But for me, I try to promote like healthy curly hair, because like that stuff has so much alcohol that it just like strips your moisture, and then it just leads to like more frizz, you know, because obviously your moisture is gone, so your hair is gonna be like frizzy. Yeah. What about you? Would you take the sponsorship?
I don't know. The thing is, I'm not educated in enough beauty hair products, because I honestly don't pay attention, and I also don't really think of my hair as like, oh, you know, I should probably put this in there because that would be healthier. Obviously, like when my mom does my hair, she's always like, moisturize. What's the leave-in already? No.
No, this one's the detangler. It's called the leave-in, but it's really thin, so I don't think it would like do anything. It doesn't really, I can't really just use the Frizz Whizz alone. I kind of use it as like a base or like just a detangler because it's really slippery. Okay, so I guess we'll just do Soultanicals. Tropical Juicy Afro Curl Smoothie by Soultanicals. I'm doing 3 different products. After this product, gel will come next. But I'm just going to basically scrunch up the product in her hair so that it can absorb.
It smells so good.
But you stretch it after, right?
Yeah. Lately I haven't been come to lately, but I usually like to stretch.
And you never diffuse, but we're gonna diffuse today.
Oh, the thing that I got from my parents has a diffuser.
Really?
I haven't used it though, but...
Bruh. What thing that you got?
My hair blow dryer.
Oh, you got a blow dryer?
Yeah.
Which one?
You literally, I don't know what kind it is, but you literally saw it and you're like, does it have a diffuser? And I was like, I don't know.
I did? Oh
yeah.
my God, I forgot. Wild night. Wild night. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I do the detangler, the cream, or the leave-in, like for moisture. And then I'll seal it all in with a gel. They feel so much better. Oh my God. When I was detangling her hair, it just felt very sad. I was like, you need to freaking deep condition. I know it's like a hard thing, but just everybody just deep condition. Your hair will love you for it, and it will be much easier to manage.
She said I'm crusty.
No, I did not say that. I just said your hair is feeling a little dry.
Crust.
No, not even. Okay. Let's do the other side. So I'm gonna do the other side of her hair. Okay, so I'm using the Soultanicals Curl Glaze Hair Glaze. I thought it would be a good detangler. That's not working out. So what we're So what we're gonna try, I'm gonna put this Asiam Repair and Restore Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in and see if this gives us more moisture and more like slip, because the other one did not give me any slip. Like I'm trying to comb out her hair and I'm like tugging on it. Like, look, I'll just show you. You saw how effortlessly it was for me to do it with Frizz Whizz, but with this, it's like, like it doesn't even want to go through. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the Uncle Funky's Curly Magic Curl Stimulator. It's for kinky, curly, and wavy textures. So we're gonna see if it can, if it can pass the test.
Yeah.
Because you're making a big claim there.
Yeah.
To say it can work for basically all 3 hair types. So
very true.
We're gonna try it out. This side is the Soultanicals side. I used Frizz Whizz and I used the Afro Curl smoothie. And then this side over here is the As I Am leave-in conditioner and the Soultanicals Curl Blaze for a texture. Maybe the Curl Blaze from Soultanicals is not for you. You're gonna need something else, but they make wide claims, Soultanicals too, so it's kind of like just a heads up. I mean, unless it works for you, that's great.
Yeah.
But it didn't work for her, so we're gonna go ahead and put in this gel. It's like a aloe vera. It's like it's like a slippery consistency. She likes the crunch,
the extra hold.
Yeah, she likes like the extreme gel. That's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
Extreme wet line.
Yeah.
I like gels that are thin.
Soft.
Yeah, soft. Because I feel like the fluffy look is like cute, or like having fluffy soft curls is what I try to go for. I'm not as precise with the gel because I guess I just try to focus more like on the ends, because that's where like the curl is the curliest.
Yeah.
At the bottom. But I do try to put it all throughout the hair, and I like to scrunch it in. Yeah, I'm gonna put the gel on the other side of her hair. We're just gonna do this off camera. No need to waste time. Alright, so these are the finished results. Oh my god, I honestly love the way it came out. What do you think?
It's cute. It definitely is bigger than I'm used to, but it's cute.
Really?
Cute.
Yeah, she likes to really put her hair down. Like, she really likes it down. I like the outlook though. I think it's cute, and it still has like, there's a lot of curl definition. I'll zoom you guys in. I'm going to do her edges with some frozen gel. Their stuff smells so good. Like, Soultanicals products smell amazing. Okay, so I'm gonna just... I'm sorry, it's G Gold. Or like comb it. So
Magic usually don't stay on my head.
they don't?
No, but they're okay.
It's okay, we'll just do it for this. Oh yeah, I also have some Black Panther Strong that your mom gave me.
What?
Yeah, I can use that too. Go to the beauty supply and get yourself a friggin', I don't know, there's like 4 things on this edge brush. It's so good. Let's get some close-ups on you. Maybe I can use my phone. So guys, I think the Soultanicals side won because look at this curl definition. Like, it's so cute. Oh my god, look. The other side is a little more fluffy. What did you learn? Did you find this experience helpful? Are you gonna style your hair like this?
The product that I like, I don't even recall. This one.
Oh.
I definitely think I'm gonna invest in Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic Curl Simulator. That's what I think I'm gonna invest in. But I think I need to take more time when it comes to moisturizing my hair. And that is what I've learned, and that is what you have taught me, so thank you. I appreciate it.
Oh my god, no, thanks so much. But I'm glad that I know this actually works. If you're in the force of the texture, this is approved by her, so.
I don't want to confirm for 4Cs, but 4A, definitely, I think.
So, it has her stamp of approval, it has my stamp of approval. Yeah, I'm a 3B, and 3C sometimes. It looks good, and it feels good too. It doesn't feel like hard. It doesn't feel hard or anything. Did your hair still feel lighter?
Yeah, it definitely feels like nothing's in my hair.
Yay, that's what I was like hoping for, because when your hair is weighed down, sometimes it just doesn't feel good. And I've learned that less is more, you know? But I don't know, I didn't know if that worked for like everybody, you know, because I was like that.
So. Yeah, this is really good. This is nice. I definitely need to work on the shape of my hair, but that's only my problem. But I really like it. It's nice.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to go check out her channel because she does have a channel and she is gonna post this here.
It's kind of dead right now, but maybe.
She is getting back on. Go ahead and follow her on Instagram as well. I will leave her name in the description box and on this video. And also be sure to follow me and subscribe if you like this video. I'm gonna be doing more textures, so if you're interested, then just subscribe and stay tuned.
Yeah.
Be on the lookout for them.
She got hair on hair on hair.
Hair on hair on hair. That's why we're coming. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.